my friends, today I'm gonna teach you how to crochet double crochets. As many other stitches, the double crochets looks different depending on the way you're crocheting them. This is how it looks if you crochet double crochets in a circle. And this is how it looks if you crochet double crochets back and forth. This is a granny square, and this is the most common way to use the double crochets. But enough chit-chatting, it's time to do some crocheting. This is how you crochet a double crochet. Put the yarn over your hook. Put the hook through the stitch. Grab the yarn. Put the yarn over your hook and pull the yarn through the two first loops on your hook. Put the yarn over your hook again and pull it through the two loops you have left. Okay, let's make one more. Yarn over, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull it through two loops, yarn over, and pull it through two loops again. Great work, my friends! Now you have learned how to crochet double crochets. Good luck with your projects and happy green crocheting!